Hey everybody, name's Sean Bartholomew, drummer of Canvas at Time and owner and operator of Barf Audio. Been playing drums and teaching for almost 20 years now. I recently came across this awesome endorsement from this great drumstick company known as Collision. I recommend these drumsticks to anybody right now. I've been playing them for a short time and absolutely love them. They are extremely durable and reliable, and honestly can't wait to keep playing them and recommend them to anybody. They're a great drumstick for any genre of music. Absolutely pick up a pair. They're amazing.